Here's a pair of Bose QuietComfort headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone. The Android phone that I'm using in this video is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So the first thing we got to do is put this in the pairing mode, okay? The only button we're going to worry about is this one button here, this power button, okay? So let's put this in the pairing mode first. Let me go ahead and turn this off. Now we'll know it's in pairing mode when there's a blue blinking light right here, okay? So they're currently off right now. Let's just turn them on. Just turn it on. So it's on now. I should see a light here. Okay, so I know it's on. Now while it's on, what we want to do is press over to the right and hold it until the light here starts blinking blue. Okay, so we're going to go right here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold, and just keep holding now until it blinks blue. There it is. It's blinking blue. So now it's indicating it's in pairing mode. Now we're going to go to our Android phone here, and you want to go to settings. And then you want to go to Bluetooth, okay? On this phone here, I'm going to click on connections. And here's Bluetooth here. Make sure it's turned on. And then tap on Bluetooth, all right? It's still in pairing mode. It's blinking blue down here. So if I scroll all the way down under available devices, it should show up down here. So under available devices is showing all the devices that are in pairing mode that's in Bluetooth range around me. And I do see my Bose QC headphones right there. Still in the pairing mode. It showed up here. Let's go ahead and tap on that. It says pairing. You get a pairing request here, tap on pair, and then give it 1 second, and then we should see, you can see that it's connected now, right there, Bose QC headphones. Now, the thing is, if you couldn't put it in a pairing mode or you couldn't connect to your phone, you can always factory reset these as well, okay? Look in the link below, I'll show you how to factory reset these if you have problems connecting, okay? Good luck, guys.